How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how to permanently delete an account in the application Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. To begin, open the application Facebook, then go to the menu and click on the option in the upper right corner in the form of a gear. This option will move you to settings and privacy. Then we have to enter the account center. Make it by opening the option See More in Account Center. Then we move to Personal Details, click on Account and Control, and then the last item, Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the account you want to delete. You will be offered accounts from the application Instagram as well as from the application Facebook. After you have chosen an account to delete, select Delete Account and press Continue twice. Next, choose a reason to delete your account or select any and click on the Continue option again twice. After that, scroll down and click again on the option Continue. Next, enter the password of your Facebook account and click the option Continue. Confirm your actions by clicking Delete Account. Your account will be deleted within 30 days. That's all. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.